I'm Tim Healy, Managing Director of Midland Joinery Services Limited. We're here testing vertical sliding sash in Accoya. It's significant because it's the first all Accoya sash window with traditional glazing bars of PAS 24 2022 Part Q. You know, it's never been done before. It's groundbreaking. It starts with a mechanical test where they put the window under load in different directions to I think 3 kilonewtons force in different ways, trying to pull the sashes apart, trying to pull them up, down. Then they do a push test where they're trying to push the glass out, and then it works on to manipulation then where, you know, manual testing where, you know, they attack it with a range of different items to see if they can break and, you know, get through the window. It's destructive. It is meant to be destructive, and they do destroy the window. You know, you couldn't use it afterwards. I've been in the joinery game for 40 years and I've never found a product that performs the same as Accoya. Every time we go back and see customers that we've made windows for 10 years, you know, they're all still completely shocked as to how well it's performed. You know, we've had properties where they haven't even been painted in 10 years. The timber doesn't move, so paint doesn't flake off. It has to wear off. And that gives, you know, a product that's second to none. From our point of view, any window that passes these tests is a massive bonus to us. And the fact that we've been able to collaborate with Accoya, SD Hardware and Era, you know, to make a window that surpasses what people thought was possible is wonderful in my eyes.